What's up, guys? Welcome back to Project Z Garage. Today we're going to be continue working on the F150 and we're going to be switching out the stock fog lights there and there. I'll have Al turn the car on so you can see how bright they are and what the color is. As you can see, it's really yellow in contrast to the headlights. I mean, it's not even like real, like the nice, like bright yellow. It's kind of like a dim light. It's not very bright. So we're gonna be swapping those out. Alright guys, so first we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this out. Just twist it. It should come out.
Is that your friend?
That's your stock fog light bulb. And next we are going to take out the stock fog light, which looks like it should come out backwards. Might have to take out this screw here to get it out. We'll go from there. Alright guys, so I'm just going to unplug this bulb from here like that. Just a little clip you gotta lift up. We'll put this back in here so we don't get any dirt or stuff into the stock location. I think I got it. Oh, there we go. Alright guys, so we have some short screwdrivers here. And we're going to take this adjuster out. A lot of dust and dirt under here. Now I should move this out the way. Get in my way. This might take a little while as I unscrew this. And we're doing this on the ground, not jacked up, so it does make it a little harder. Alright, I think we got it. Oh, Jesus. There it is. There's the spring. There we go. Ooh, look at that. It's flexible. Now, we just gotta pry it out. On each side, there's a little tab here. So we're gonna pry out this tab here.
Danielle's friend, the one who's trying to get, so they got married. Oh,
there we go. We got one side out. Now we just gotta get the other side out. Which is on this side. So let me get out under the car, grab the other side. Al, grab the fog light from the front.
what do you say?
Grab the fog light.
Come this way?
Yeah, to you. There we go, it pops out. now we can get the new one in. So these are the new fog lights. I'll put descriptions in the comments, or I'll put links to in the description below to our associated links. And we're gonna throw that back there. And that should push in. Or maybe not. Like that. And it pops into place. And then we have to just put back in the adjuster screw in the back and plug it in and see what's up. Alright guys, so we got the new one in. We plugged it in. Everything was plug and play, which is really nice. We didn't use the hardware, the adjuster screw that came with it. I used back the stock one. That seemed to work a lot better. We're gonna have to wait till it gets dark to adjust it properly, but right now we're just getting it as close as possible to where it was before, and then we can mess with it later. Now I'm just gonna zip tie up these wires so it's not so loose and hanging, and we're good to go and work on the other side. Alright guys, so we just finished wrapping up the driver's side fog lights. This was really easy to do. It wasn't too bad. We reused the stock hardware. All it is that plug, so it wasn't bad. We zip tied up all the wiring so it's out of the way, so really easy. All right, Al, hit the lights. There we go. As you can see, these are I believe they're 5,000 or 6,000 light output, Kelvin, or whatever it's called. So it matches the headlights really nice. Al, put the headlights on. Headlights. There you go. So even though these headlights are a little beat up, so now the fog light looks nicer than the headlights. They do match really well. Also, the cool thing about these fog lights, it has another cool trick. Al, do you want to do the fog lights off and on? There you go. You could switch them to yellow. I really like that. Looks really good. Gives it a different look. So for fog, you can turn the yellow ones on. For regular driving, you can put the white ones on so they all match. And you can switch back like that. And that pretty much concludes this install. I'll put a link to the description, a link in the description of our affiliate links where you could buy them. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.